I have made many mistakes, I have many regrets, but I still continue to push forward to this destiny set before me. I am perfectly imperfect, but I call myself a work in progress. A beautiful work, growing slowly but surely deep inside me. Sometimes I wish I could erase my past mistakes or hide from the world until the pain goes away, but I forget. Heartbreak, disappointments, death, and life lessons are the name of this game we play every day. I can play hide and go seek all I want, but every second is written in pen and I cannot erase one page. I have to be stronger and smarter, I have to be consistent and confident, more efficient and more effective in every positive thing that I do. How can I call myself a leader if I'm not willing to be led? How can I call myself a believer if I've never had faith? How can I call myself a woman of God if I've never exercised the works God placed inside me? How can you call yourself a man of God when you won't even stand in a position of authority that was given to you first? Last time I checked, Eve was made from man. Y'all named the trees, the animals, and the birds, and I believe pretty much everything else on earth. I understand there is also the fall of man, but that does not mean man cannot get back up again. Didn't Jesus die and raise up again and free us from being condemned from our sins, as long as we believe, have faith, and trust in him? Do not be deceived. This walk is not easy, nor will it ever be. I understand how you feel, trusting in someone you cannot see to do things your pride tells you you can do on your own. Then when you fall flat on your face, that's when you call home. And that's okay. Lesson learned, move on. Every second, every minute of every hour of every day is worth it. As soon as we make it to those heavenly gates and take our place in the kingdom, it's permanent.